Factories Act, 1948. 1. Who is an adult as per Factories Act, 1948? A. Who has completed 18 years of age. B. Who is less than 18 years. C. Who is more than 14 years. D. Who is more than 15 years. Answer is A. Who has completed 18 years of age. 2. A person who has ultimate control over the affairs of the factory under Factories Act, 1948 is called as A. Occupier. B. Manager. C. Chairman. D. Managing Director. Answer is A. Occupier. 3. The space for every worker employed in the factory after the commencement of Factories Act, 1948 should be cubic meters. A. 9.9. B. 10.2. C. 14.2. D. 13.2. Answer is circa 14.2 cubic meters. 4. The provision for cooling water during hot weather should be made by the organization if it employees or more employees. A. 200. B. 250. C. 300. D. 150. Answer is B. 250. 5. Who is an adolescent as per Factories Act, 1948? A. Who has completed 17 years of age. B. Who is less than 18 years. C. Who has completed 15 years but less than 18 years. D. None of these. Answer is C. Who has completed 15 years but less than 18 years. 6. First aid boxes is to be provided for of persons. A. 125. B. 135. C. 150. D. 160. Answer is circa 150. 7. Canteen is to be provided if engaging employees more than persons. A. 250. B. 230. C. 300. D. 275. Answer is A. 250. 8. Welfare officers are to be appointed if organization is engaging or more employees. A. 500. B. 250. C. 600. D. 750. Answer is A. 500. 9. The ambulance room is to be provided if engaging employees more than A. 400. B. 350. C. 500. D. 450. Answer is circa 500. 10. Creches is to be provided if or more lady employees are engaged. A. 25. B. 32. C. 30. D. 40. Answer is circa 30. 11. An adult worker can up to hours in a day as per Factories Act, 1948. A. 8. B. 9. C. 10. D. 12. Answer is B. 9. 12. Prevention of back injury resulting from manual handling may be achieved by A. Use mechanical aids wherever possible. B. Learning the correct methods of lifting and carrying. C. Practicing good housekeeping. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. 13. When using a fire extinguisher for an electrical fire, it would be appropriate to use an extinguisher containing A. Dry powder. B. Water. C. Foam. D. Carbon monoxide. Answer is D. Carbon monoxide. 14. The most suitable fire extinguisher to use on a flammable liquid fire is A. A class water fire extinguisher. B. B-class foam fire extinguisher. C. C-class carbon dioxide. D. Not important, any will do. Answer is B. B-class foam fire extinguisher. 15. Which of the following would not be classified as a chemical hazard? A. Gases. B. Vapors. C. OS, occupations overuse syndrome. D. Fibers. Answer is D. Fibers. 16. Chemicals may enter the body through A. Ingestion through the mouth. B. The eyes and mucous membranes. C. The skin. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. 17. The workplace hazard excessive noise may be controlled by A. Air conditioning. B. Ventilation. C. Shift work. D. PPE. Answer is D. PPE. 18. An emergency that could arise and cause a risk to H&S could include A. Fire. B. Explosion. C. Chemical spill. D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. 19. Which of the following is not a laboratory safety rule? A. You should never mix acids with bases. B. You should tie back your long hair. C. You should never add water to acid. D. All of the above are valid safety rules. Answer is D. All of the above are valid safety rules. 20. As per factory rules, what is the area noise TLV for 8 hours is? A. 75 dBA. B. 95 dBA. C. 90 dBA. D. 85 dBA. Answer is circa 90 dBA. 21. According to Factories Act 1948, after how many time accident is called reportable accident? A. 48 hours. B. 72 hours. C. 3 days. D. None of above. Answer is A. 48 hours. 22. In every factory where is more than 500 workers employed, there shall be provided A. First aid box. B. Hospital. C. Maintained an ambulance room. D. Doctor. Answer is C. Maintained an ambulance room. 23. As per factory rules, how much weight maximum permissible for adult male? A. 50 kg. B. 55 kg. C. 30 kg. D. 40 kg. Answer is B. 55 kg. 24. All of the following are the main causes of accidents except A. Unsafe facts. B. Alcohol or drug abuse. C. Weather. D. Poor work habits. Answer is C. Weather. 25. When lifting heavy objects, keep as much weight as possible over your A. Chest. B. Legs. C. Shoulders. D. Back. Answer is A. Chest. 26. Ball valves are commonly used to A. Throttle flow. B. Check flow. C. Change flow direction. D. start, stop flow. Answer is D. Start, stop flow. 27. In which schedule of Factories Act hazardous process is listed? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. None. Answer is A. First. 28. As per Factory Act rules, what should be the testing pressure of pressure vessels for the hydrostatic test from design pressure? A. 1.5 time. B. 1.10 time. C. 1.25 times. D. All of above. Answer is A. 1.5 time. 29. Emergency plan is required due to A. Legal compliance. B. Need of company. C. No legal requirement. D. None of these. Answer is A. Legal compliance. B. Need of company. 30. In which year did Factories Act come into force? A. 23rd of September, 1948. B. 1st of April, 1949. C. 4th of April, 1949. D. 12th of September, 1948. Answer is B. 1st of April, 1949. 31. How many days in advance does the occupier of a factory premises gives notice of occupancy to the chief inspector? A. 15 days. B. 20 days. C. 10 days. D. 25 days. Answer is A. 15 days. 32. Which provisions regarding health are mentioned in the sections 11 to 20 in Factories Act? A. Cleanliness. B. Dust and fumes. C. Ventilation and temperature. D. Disposal of wastes. E. All of the above. Answer is E. All of the above. 33. As per the Factories Act, after how many years should the factory premises be painted and refurbished? A. 5 years. B. 2 years. C. 10 years. D. Annually. Answer is A. 5 years. 34. As per Section 2 in Factories Act, who will be called as an adult? A. A person who has completed 21 years of age. B. A person who is less than 19 years of age. C. A person who has completed 24 years of age. D. A person who has completed 18 years of age. Answer is D. A person who has completed 18 years of age. 37. Which of the following diseases is not mentioned in the Section 89 of Factories Act? A. Anthrax. B. Asbestosis. C. Phosphorus. D. Pneumonia. Answer is D. Pneumonia.
Please give comment and suggestions.
Thank you.
Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class.
Thank you.